Welcome to solving simultaneous equation by elimination method. To be able to solve simultaneous equation by elimination method, there are 6 steps that needs to be followed. Rather than going through all the steps by reading them, it's better to show you through an example how you can solve by elimination. And the example we're going to use is this example here, which says solve the equation 6x plus y equals 15 and 4x plus y equals 11. So first thing we need to do is we need to rewrite the equations. So that's 6x plus y equals 15, and then 4x plus y equals 11. So we'll always label your equation. So that's equation 1 there, and that's equation 2 there. Okay, the next thing, the first step to solving by elimination is to balance the coefficients of one of the variables. Well, it's obvious here that the coefficient of y is 1 in each case, so we'll use that. Okay, so step 2 says to eliminate this variable by adding or subtracting the equations. So in this case, because we have a plus here and a plus here, so to get rid of the y, we just need to subtract equation 2 from 1. So equation 1 take away equation 2. So we put the minus sign here. 6x plus minus 4x gives us 2x. Y minus y gives you 0. And then 15 take away 11 gives you 4. Okay. So the next thing we need to do is to solve for x. And we do that by dividing both sides by 2. So we have over 2 there and over 2 here. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 4 divided by 2 is 2. So x equals 2. That's our solution for x. Next thing we need to do is solve for y. So we pick one of the equations. In this case, let's pick equation 2. So we would substitute x equals 2 into equation 2. So that's 4 bracket 2 plus y equals 11. That's 8. 4 times 2 is 8 plus y equals 11. Alright, to solve for y, we simply take 8 from both sides of the equation, and we're left in y equals 3. Don't just take my word for it, let's check. In other words, let's check that this side of the equation, when we substitute x equals 2 and y equals 3, it gives us this side of the equation. That is, the left hand side of the equation equals the right hand side of the equation. And the equation that we're using is equation 2. So let's plug in those values into the left hand side of equation 2. We'll have 4 times 2 plus 3. 4 times 2 is 8 plus 3. Our answer on the left hand side is 11. Notice that it's exactly the same answer as 11 on the right hand side. So LHS equals RHS. Therefore, our solutions are correct. Thank you for watching this video. I hope that it has been a lot of help, courtesy CMaths. Like us on CMaths on Facebook at www.facebook.com/CMaths.